Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin.
Here is today's kanji. It is read nana or shichi in many words. Take a good look at its shape.
This character means 7. It has 2 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like shichi. On its own, it is usually nana. A cross with a hook, like the number 7 flipped around. Now, let's write it. 2 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Shichigatsu, shichigatsu means July. Nanatsu, nanatsu means 7 things. And shichiji, shichiji means 7 o'clock. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Ju, read ju, 10. Kyuu, read Q, 9. Notice the small differences. So, that's shina, 7. 2 strokes, read nana or shichi. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.